Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. Dan back in the lab, man. You see what we are deal with. Yo, you don't know, Wake up. Yes, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. Anytime we in the lab, we there with another banger, another hit, man. And we there with a highly, well, I would say anticipated and unexpected. This is highly anticipated and unexpected track. No one expected this artist to jump on this rhythm until we heard the preview like a few days ago or so, you know what I'm saying? And then people was quite surprised. And ever since then, it's been a highly anticipated track. And apparently, the artist chose to definitely drop it. The same day as Shensia and Think They're Panic. Interesting. Vibes Cartel and Shensia Panic. Interesting. Anyway. Yes, Mavado. Yeah, the goalie got there, I know, man, with another track. The one that name Bad and Bumbo Rich. You see me? We are check it out and see what that I deal with, man. We're not even going to provide much longer, enough people. Let's get it. Forward. Hey. Man, I gotta give it to DJ Matt, man. This rhythm. He went crazy with this shit, man.
Goalie, got me on a beat, so it's a bang. If you fling shot in her face, man, ever ready, man, ever ready. Enemies who me war with, dead already, then dead already. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich. Uptown couple rifle, a lift and the killers now have no license for shit.
Yeah.
Free this, could have fear from Egypt. The pussy them all knee lift.
Bumbo. Hola, people, I like it. That's a vibe. It is a vibe. Oh, me can't lie. Shots fired. Shots fired, dog. Shots fired. The man said I could have Pharaoh from Egypt. Pharaoh is a farmer king. That's king. That is a shots fired. Nobody can tell me no. Pharaoh is the king of Egypt. So man say I could have Pharaoh from Egypt. So man say I could have king from Egypt. And that man I try to say. Shots has been fired. You see me? Nobody can tell me nothing. But run it. Ever ready, man, ever ready. Enemies who me war with, dead already. Dead already, then dead already. Enemies who me war with, dead already. Enemies who me war with, dead already. Who Mavado war with already? Only couple people Mavado war with. A man war with Vibes Cartel. Him war with Popcorn. Who else he war with? Who else Mavado war with? Those are the only two notable artists where Mavado really war with. Bro, shots has been fired. Because he no war against Alka, so he can't Alka. He no war against Massacre, he can't Massacre. You see me and say? Who else? Me not thinking he war against family. Me not thinking he war against family. Me some shades was thrown. But I didn't think him on family. You see me and say? But watch out to the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich. Uptown couple rifle, a lift and the killers now have no license for shit. Free this, could have fear from Egypt. The pussy them all knee lift. Mount a bat where we have funny rifle, a lift, man, I try really. What's the big gun again? Hola. You man, big dog, me not like what you. Girl, can't do not like what. Think that's them life, it a go A.M. Yes. Pop off the fuck, we can't mend them fear. Me no fuck, I coulda want today. Top killer, we no do talk it out. Tell a pussy where you act out a cloud. Bumbo cleat, we killer, we no talk it out. Some pussy just act out a cloud. How we man a talk? Who is he talking about? Who is he talking about? We can't mend them fear. Me no fuck, I coulda want today. Top killer, we no do talk it out. Yeah. Tell a pussy where you act out a cloud. Yeah. Take a shotgun, chop off your mouth. Clown face me shot out. Clown face in shot out. Go on, you. Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clat rich. Yeah. Uptown couple rifle, a lift and the killers now have no license for it. Yeah. Free this, could have fear from Egypt. The pussy them all knee lift. Man said could have bomba fear from Egypt. Pussy them all knee lift. Why? Mount a bat where we have funny rifle, a lift, man, I try relive. From a land back, I had the pussy, them a throw shade. 40 clip packer than a crusade. Them a live in a mistake. Oh, from the lock, from the come back, I had them a throw shade. Who are throw shit from the gully got their yard? Cause of the cartel now throw shit from the their cartel, the America, you know. You see me, so who are you that go on with the foolish? How are go on? People talk to
Really. From me land back, I had the pussy, them a throw shade.
Yeah.
40 clip packer than a crusade. Them
Yeah.
a living a me style, a time for them fade.
Hey.
Watch, stinking rich and a million times in bed. Get dash way. Anyone that you think you're brave, link me counterpart.
Man say stinking rich and a million times in bed. Get dash way cause you feel like you're brave, boy. Hey, boy. Hey.
Just slap out your ears. Scoop my booty flesh. No what easy does it to make any man drop. Red light for your head is like a cherry on top. Come on, axe up, bully me set a elephant chop.
Red light is like a cherry on top, boy. Oh, dear.
Chop. Learn that. Walk out to the stick.
But J.A.B.X. bad. Go on, show. Yeah.
Uptown never telly. When I left your place red like Bloody Mary. Pussy cherry up.
Uptown never telly, you know, boy. We left it like Bloody Mary up here, you know, boy. Don't try it, you know. Ah, go on, show. Call it guys.
Uptown never telly. When I left your place red like Bloody Mary.
You know see why me always a cuss Mavado though? You know see why we always a cuss Mavado, bro? Greatness like this, bro, way there for 13 years. Greatness like this should have been uplifting dance hall, upholding dance hall while Vibes Cartel was locked up. That's why me cuss you, know. That's why me always a cuss you, know, Mavado. I mean I stop cuss your dog.
Pussy cherry appear like Machiavelli. Shot in her head like countryman. Chop a jelly. Walk out to the stick. Walk out to the stick.
Yeah. Highly anticipated. Mavado back in the building. Mad tune, bro. Mad tune. Shout out to you guys. He did this thing on the track. You see me? He did this thing on the track, bro. You have to deny when man drop bad tune and drop bad tune. You see me? I said, no, there's gonna be a lot of speculation. Say, yo, Mavado take it with him. Mavado better than Cartel. Cartel, boy, you gotta remember Cartel saying done with bad man and gunman tune. You see me? Mavado never said that. Mavado still a do him thing, still a do bad man tune, still a do gun tune. You see me? I say, Cartel come with a little hype, fierce tune, but the dog never come with a bad man tune or gun tune. You see me? I say, yes, man. These are different. This is a gun song. Cartel I mean no gun song. Imagine if Cartel leave forward by the beat with a gun tune, dog. Jeez, Pete. That would be in shambles. Shambles. You see me, I say, gang, boy, yeah, man, let me know anything in that comment section. You see me, I say, well, go on, man. You see me, I say, move out, step out, go step out. You see me, looking crazy, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You see me, a bad tune, man, vibes. You see, he did what Skipper and the other and Candy did. Let the rhythm breathe. You see me, let the rhythm breathe. And you can feel the rhythm. You see me, Cartel did a different approach. Cartel was going crazy on the rhythm. You see me, I say, he was like using his voice more of like the instrument on it. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, people don't know what I'm thinking about music. But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about the song in the comment section. You already know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.